What's up today, kiddo?
Well, today we're at the 75 Chrome Shop in the daytime for part 2.
Nice. What's up with that hat?
Well, I actually got this when it was nighttime, and this is Dominguez's sun hat, which I think is really, really cool.
Fire. I think both those trucks are really here, right?
Yeah, I've been wanting one of these for a long time.
Well, the sun's out, so let's put it to good use and see what's going on today, okay?
All right.
All right, go for it. Yeah, it is. Little box truck on the back. Wow, look at this trailer next door.
Wow.
Pretty sweet.
Very, very shiny.
Let's loop back around to the front.
All right.
Cool. It's old school.
It is.
Okay. Wow. Real nice.
Trucks, but they look like they're meant for the show.
Yeah, no, I mean, these guys put in a lot of time to clean these trucks up. You're right. They do work hard, get real dirty, carry lots of loads.
Oh, this truck was at the Florida Trucking Show. First time is here.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We have seen that truck before. Wow, custom.
Green Lantern. Green Lantern's pretty sweet. I like it.
Catching the sunny side of these trucks.
Yeah, it's great.
Nice. Say hi when you see him. That's a good looking rig, eh?
It's very good.
I think we've seen this truck here all 3 years that we've been coming. Pennsylvania. Looks real good. That matching trailer.
It does. Dang, tough dog trailer.
Sounds like a truck show. Man, is that good looking, huh? Let's walk it. Yeah, it sure does. Look at that.
And same thing for the trailer.
Even the hoses look good.
I wonder what they haul.
It's a good question. Well, if we see him, we can ask him. Hard times.
Not wrong. Living dog.
Man, look at the sleeper on this one.
Pretty big. Probably does some over the road hauling.
Yeah, I'm sure. Some long nights.
Indeed, indeed.
So clean.
It is.
Look underneath, like where the fifth wheel is, man. It's like spotless.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Corporate funded.
Hard to do that. Captain funded.
Corporate.
Oh, corporate.
Wow, look at that. All the chrome under there.
That's pretty nice. I feel like I would never be able to like keep it this clean.
I mean, that's the thing. These guys come from Wisconsin, so they drive, you know, more than 1,000 miles to get here, and then they got to get it show ready. It's not a joke.
Yeah, it's insane.
And who's right next door?
LKG.
Your buddy. One of Florida's finest.
He is.
It's early. We'll see everyone, I'm sure.
Yeah, probably.
We'll make a few rounds here.
1998 International.
When it's open, we're going shots. Everyone have your stickers on the bottom of the visor.
Yeah. I'm actually really surprised that it's there, you know?
I'm not. He's a fan.
Yeah, true. He has my book, doesn't he?
Yeah.
I feel like my hat's gonna blow off.
Oh, you got that string, right? Thank you. Jay, check this one out.
Wow,
Oh my God, look at that. It's pretty high tech.
high tech copyright.
We're gonna have to get that program to remove the music.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's always a popular truck, huh? What's the question?
I said I wonder who owns it.
I know it's a farm. I think it says the name up there on the top of the trailer. Strayer Farms. I think they're pig farmers. Hog farmers.
Yeah. So Farms.
Man.
Spencerville, Ohio. Wow, he came all the way down here.
Yeah, that clean white engine's not easy to do, huh?
Not at all. Oh, he's got pigs on the floor. That's awesome.
Notorious PNG. Man, got that full leather wrap on the ceiling and everything.
Amazing.
The sun on that chrome trailer.
Yeah. That's gotta be pretty hard to clean. Even with it being low down, still need that huge ladder to get all the way up there.
Yep. What's next door?
Already forgot about this.
Yeah, we saw that last night.
This wide load. I thought he was the one who had the oversized load. It was the head.
I will check that guy out afterwards. All right, let's keep going. Has a good looking Mac up front, huh?
Definitely.
The Mac and the Pete are from the same operator, same company.
Yeah. I don't know why they're making that old Mac on that heavy load, but you know. We got the
Full hauling, truck on a truck.
Yep. That's nice. It's pretty nice.
Carrying your favorite cargo, another truck.
Yep. Watch this. I got one of these in some Honks. Maybe. Maybe the front of that truck.
That's pretty funny.
Oh god.
See that cab over still tilted up?
Yeah. Nice.
See what's going on under the hood here. Nice cat.
Wow, that looks really nice.
Yeah. North Carolina.
Yeah, multiple stool.
Love it.
Wow, that interior is amazing.
Yeah.
Dang.
I like the rolling tuck and stuff. Yeah, the diamond tuck. That is awesome. Typical trucker got to sit on the ground.
Is that nice Ford again? 9,000.
Yeah, they weren't leaving till 9:30. I don't know exactly where they
Love seeing that truck here.
Pretty sweet.
Look at that spoiler up top.
Pretty nice.
It is.
Love it.
Nice
So
front
windy.
bumper. Let's come take a picture with that bumper later.
Yeah.
Get your signature shot.
Indeed, indeed.
Yeah.
Nice Pete.
Oh, these two are brothers.
They are?
Yeah.
Nice. Man, look at that. That's the Eagle. I think that's the cab over that has the staircase that comes out of it. Should we go take a look underneath? Come over here. Wow, look at the leather at the end of the tanks. That's so sweet.
That's amazing.
Man.
Wow, leather underneath here as
Holy
well.
moly. You approve?
I do. Oh, man, look, it's got turbo in that. That's crazy.
This thing is spotless too.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing. Amazing. Here, we'll come back out front.
Oh, look.
What's up?
I don't think this is like a fuel tank. Look, it's got like storage for like
Oh,
a
nice.
cart.
Yeah, that's where he sits on that stool to keep this thing clean, man. Look at that frame.
That is spotless.
Sure is.
Not responsible for objects coming from the road. That's hilarious.
Like that view down the back of all these trucks. What's up?
Not trying to make any false accusations, but that looks like Jerry Reed over there. I swear.
Wow, look at that hood. He got the old style side flipped up hood.
That's
That's
awesome.
so cool.
It is. And it's nice. Oh, it's spotless. Great.
Sure is. did that.
Kept it old, but at the same time, it's modern.
Yeah. Wow.
That,
Yeah, we'll take a peek inside. That's your truck?
Yes, sir.
What a beauty.
Thank you.
Love that hood.
Thank you.
Just might be the.
It's a 1959.
Oh, wow.
It's a 59.
I would have never known that.
that is crazy.
Where you from?
Shreveport, Louisiana.
Man. Doesn't look like you drove before a minute. It's spotless.
Just it's scrub, trust me.
What's the history? Has it been in your family? Or you picked it up vintage?
We no, so we picked it up probably around 2016, 2017.
Okay.
We bought it off of a farmer up in North Dakota. He had it, I don't know, maybe 4 to 6 years, maybe 7 years at the most. And he showed it a local car show.
Yeah.
One time a year, put it back to one every year.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
He wanted to have it. He bought it, so a couple years back, he decided to get rid of it. We picked it up,
Wow.
did a full restoration on it again, and
Sure did.
just put our own touches on
Great job, man.
it. Thank you.
Showstopper. Love that. I would have never guessed this truck was really that old. I thought they took a new truck and made it look vintage.
Me too. That's more than 60 years old. That's crazy. Another home hauler. These are
Hey, you know what? There's not a lot of car carriers so far. Usually we see like a whole section of car carrier.
Yeah, you're right. Wow, this is pretty nice.
What's up?
I did not see that one last time.
The cab over?
Yeah.
All right, we'll make our way over there. I agree with you. Your favorite color? Should we check out Optimus Prime over here?
Sure.
Another Optimus Prime, kind of. Man, it's no joke in there, buddy.
Oh,
What's up?
wow. Look at that. That is
Wow. All that leather, it's fantastic. Nice back window. Let's check out the trailer.
This is spotless.
Amazing. Real beauty. Man, look at that. You know what it is.
That's like, that's just crazy how, like, the fifth wheel is like shining. I mean, there's no way this could be like a working truck.
I think it is, buddy. I don't think they're cheating. I think that's the real deal. It's amazing. Just amazing. You never believe it. You eat off the floor of that truck. You eat off the engine too.
Yeah, that is crazy.
What was the modification you said you liked on this blue truck?
I like the suicide doors.
Man, It's a lot of engineering, you know. You got to change all the hinges.
Yeah.
You got to keep it watertight. You got to make sure the latches all work.
Where's the door handle?
It's invisible. I don't know how they do it.
Oh wait, it's not the thing, is it? I have no clue.
Well, if we see the owner, you can ask him, say, hey, how do you open those doors when you're on the inside, man? Look at all this work back here, Jay.
Wow, this is wild.
Oh, look at that little back window rolls down.
Whoa, that's amazing. It looks so good.
Man. Oh, wow, look at the fifth wheel, Jay.
Wow. Whoa.
See how that C channel's in there?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Bracket on top, it just kind of sticks up.
Kind of looks like Cowboy of the Road, but not quite.
Kind of, sort of.
You had to flip this bracket. See, this should normally on it, they're going on, that's forward.
Yeah.
So you had to flip that bracket, which scooted this forward so the door would come out.
Right.
And then you have to flip all your, your mechanisms to the front instead of the back. Chrome Shop Mafia did this back in 2009, so this is an old build.
Okay.
But
Never
yeah,
know.
and they took 4 inches out of the top on it, so
Wow.
it's chopped.
Wow, and the door too, jeez.
Yeah, so everything's chopped, sleeper doors, sleeper and doors, sleeper and cab, and then all the doors are shaved and all suicide.
Amazing job, man. It's a beautiful truck.
Thank you. If y'all are voting today, 165.
Yeah, all right, cool. Yeah, we got your back. We got your back.
I don't know where the thing is to do it. They keep saying it's going to be in front of the building, but I haven't
Okay,
seen it yet.
well, we'll be here all day, so we got you. Thank
I'll be
you.
here tonight too.
Oh, yeah.
It looks pretty good lit up. I don't know if you were here last night.
Were you y'all play Smokey the Bandit in there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we were here.
Yeah.
We were going to park it and have a look.
Yeah.
I'll tell you right now, this gentleman by your side is the youngest guy here who could go quote for quote every line in that movie.
Yeah. Well, I thought it was good to play it. Yeah.
That was fantastic. Good luck.
Yeah. Hey, thank you. Thanks for looking.
Of course.
Questions?
No
If you
problem.
got any more, you come back.
Oh,
We got an X, 389X with the RGN back there on the background. That's pretty nice too.
All right, we're on it. Thank you.
Another dog.
Yeah, that's that Chevy. Man, Jay, you always ask me the same questions. You forgot to ask it for this one. Would I drive this? And the answer is heck yeah. Boy, I'd love that to be the family car, huh?
Got Cookie in the back.
You know it. All right, you ready to check out this row?
I sure am.
I'm gonna try to get down with both sides at once. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. We'll go slow.
Also, got the farm license plate. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, that truck's working. That's for sure.
Page truck. You see that?
As is this cab over, huh?
Yeah.
Man. Well, I'm gonna stop and do a walk around in just this truck, okay?
Yeah.
Wow. So awesome, right? Oh man, look at that in there, Jay. Look how high up that goes.
Crazy.
Outstanding.
Where you from?
Right here in Wildwood.
Oh, super cool.
We just got it an hour and a half south.
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course.
I watch a lot of YouTube.
Oh yeah. We travel. We've been to the Iowa 80. We were at the Gear Jammer show last year.
Been there.
We get around.
All right. I'll check you out.
Yeah, man. We keep an eye on your truck too. We give you a vote.
Thank you.
Wow. It's like a big Peterbilt on like small wheels. I think. I have no clue, bro.
I don't know, man. It's a head scratcher for me. I'm gonna check out this orange rig.
Alright. The interior is amazing.
Of what?
Of this little mini P.
I'm coming.
The interior is just
carrier car.
insane.
Nice. Wow. Old school cool, eh?
Yeah,
I love that white steering wheel.
it looks great.
Got
I
that
don't
grip
know,
knob.
like what year this is.
Wow, it's automatic. You could drive it.
I probably could. It's my size.
It sure is, isn't it?
Wow, this seal truck is sick.
Sure is.
You drive that?
Yeah, heck yeah.
I feel like you would drive almost every truck here.
It's hard for me to keep up with what's going on here.
Tis.
Putting my filming skills to the test, trying to capture both sides.
Oh, look, Thumper. Maybe that is. No, it was Bonnie.
Yeah, it was Bonnie. It was a different Taylor. Yep.
That's like my iconic picture.
There's that old time Kenworth up ahead. Let's go.
I like it.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Man. You approve?
I do approve.
Real truck's got 2 shifters, right?
Yep.
Sure enough.
I'm not too sure what the second one is for.
Oh wow, look at the license plate, 1927.
Wow. The person who owns it just told me it's got a 504 transmission.
Okay.
Pretty nice. I got the old K-Dub logo.
Love it.
So cool.
Got those old trumpet horns too. Look at this. Like that green?
I sure do. Oh, he's got the monkey squatting a
Oh yeah.
wrench. I guess that's why they call it a monkey wrench.
No, that's what I call it. Yeah, monkey wrench or a wrench press. One or the other.
That's hilarious.
See what else is going on in this row.
Oh wow, plate says cash.
Nice.
RDH has got some pretty good trucks.
Sure do.
We got 2 here and they have an autism truck.
Good looking rig, huh? Where's this one from? Florida, I think. Pace, is that FL? Pace, Florida?
Doesn't really say it at the door. This one's from FL.
Watch out for the wall.
Yeah, they're drilling over there.
Another RDH. They sure are. It's like they're smoking.
Wow, so many chicken legs.
You know I like those brown trucks, man. Nice root beer brown.
Oh, I think I might have found something.
What's up? is it?
Number one, that interior is sick. Okay, I would definitely want that.
Yes.
Got a little ATV on the back.
Very nice. Matching. Those Dolphins colors, your mom would like that?
Definitely.
No.
007. Another RDH, and the Autos are RDH.
They're here in full force. Oh yeah, custom. Wow.
Wow. Hold on, I feel like the interior is gonna be crazy.
Is it open?
It's also got a Dominguez sun hat in there.
Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, my friend.
Cookie, if Cookie were here, she would love it.
Man, let's get a good look at this cab over in a second, okay?
Look, so good. Lamb.
It's crazy how low that thing slammed. It's crazy. What's it say? 1980 Kenworth? Yeah, they got a sign under it. Look. Look, they got mirrors showing you how clean it is on the bottom, too.
Literally take them off and leave the chrome caps on the outside and put your card on.
Wow. You approve, right?
I sure do.
All right.
You got a good looking home hauler behind you.
Sure is. All right, I'm down. Wow, Jay, look at this colors.
Whoa, look at this.
Custom ceiling too. Got them speakers up there that match.
You got a nice yellow Caterpillar.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming out to this year's Wildwood
All right, show me.
Truck
This row.
Show. Now, as you are walking around,
Wow, look at this
make
thing.
sure that you take note of the numbers in the windows of each one of these trucks. Each one has its own specific number that is participating in the choice of
Love this. Let's go.
Grab some food. We got some food with our vendors and some beverages on the other side. Wrap around. Make sure that you
original, like they found it somewhere. North Florida Express, Lee, Florida.
I'm assuming it's short for Leesburg, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, it looks like a nice old barn find. I wonder if they're gonna restore it or leave it as is.
Yeah. P359.
Nice. All right, let's go back out front. Almost walked right past this, but look at all this work, man. Jeez. Spotless. Oh wow, Jay, the guy got those white letter tires on the truck next door.
Oh yeah, that's the Outlaw racing truck.
I like that.
Looks great. This was the one I was talking about.
Camper on the back?
Yeah.
Sure is clever, huh? Ah, crawler hauler. Let's have a mud crawler on the back and sometimes. Okay. Man. Like that K-Dub right there, the green. Good looking matching trailer.
Is your truck? Looks great. Thank you. No problem.
Oh wow.
Love that green.
Came in from, Winnipeg. You never know it, it's spotless. It's crazy they can drive all these miles and be show ready.
Here's the Manlet racing truck that we just saw the hauler for.
Yeah, he probably goes on the back of it behind the camper.
Yeah.
That is nice. When the light hits it, kind of changes colors a little bit.
It's like an iridescent purple.
Not quite Spectre Flame, right?
Not quite.
Not
but
quite Hot Wheels approved.
Still pretty nice.
I think you're right.
All right.
I think we saw these guys here last year.
Yeah. I remember seeing this one. That's for sure. CD2. That piece pretty sick.
Check out this International during the daytime. We saw that one last night. Got to film that for your friends at Vintage Trucks of Florida. Love that. Love, love, love it.
Pretty sweet.
Sure is.
Love it.
Gotta tighten your chin strap, man.
Alright, it's all nice inside now.
Party bus. work bus?
That's just wild.
Sure is.
How they can just do that to a bus.
Well, that's a lot of creativity, you know. You got to picture that in your mind and then bring it to life. Man, good looking heavy wrecker, huh?
There is 007. I don't know if that's supposed to be there.
That's definitely not winning any People's Choice Awards.
Definitely not.
Hey, let's go down the back rows and see the rear ends of these trucks.
Alright.
We'll make our way around front.
Morning, kid. How you doing? Good to see you, bud. How you guys been?
Nice to
How
see
doing,
you.
Daddy? You good?
That you gave us our favorite moment last year. You let him hook up the horn.
Oh. Hey, we're going to do this here too.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Wow, look at that pace truck from the back, Jay.
That's great. Look at that. The picture's like covered up.
Yeah, I guess they take it off when it goes to work. Oh, Chrome Shop Mafia. That's what the other guy said did his truck.
Oh yeah.
Man, look at this thing with all the skulls.
Really, really cool.
Yeah, I mean you gotta walk behind these trucks and see what's going on the backsides. It's not just the nose. Nice. A lot of them got the fifth wheel covers, Jay. I love that big wing up there, man. Big wang gang.
Yep.
This is nice too, huh? I like it though. It keeps his fifth wheel greasy, so you know that truck works for a living, and the rest of it's spotless.
Yep.
I like that a lot. This guy too. Man. Look at that. I love that triple axle.
Me too.
Tag axle. J-Dub. JW, that's somebody's initials. We can't say who though, right?
Yep. Heartbreaker. Bad to the bone. Outlaw.
Wow.
Look pretty sweet.
I don't even know which one to look at first. Look at this thing.
Got a nice sparkle spectral flame.
Yeah, you know, you learn all the truck's names coming through the back.
Yep.
Outlaw. Looks so good. They got their smoker smoking, buddy.
Miss Kitty.
Wow.
Oh wow, look, there's a little baby in the back of that truck over there.
So cool.
It's getting pretty small for you over here.
Ah, Miss Kitty.
Back of that truck over there?
It's a lot of work.
It is. Good.
Nice. I like that. It's like a little hot rod in the back. Looks good, man. Wow. It's just so smooth.
There's so many trucks here. I have no clue which one to look for.
Yeah, I mean that's the hard part. How do you pick a favorite amongst a lot full of beauties? Wow, a lot of trucks with tag axles, a lot of triple axles.
Well, it makes the truck look pretty nice.
I think that's heavy hauling. I think that's to carry heavy weight for sure. All right, go make our way around front. Yeah, you want to give those boys a couple stickers?
What?
Give those boys a couple stickers.
Alrighty.
Let's do it. I see your favorite.
They even got the hood ornament. This is like
Super well done, man.
It does have lights. Wow.
It's amazing.
This is so cool, dude.
Incredible. Incredible. Check out a couple pickups in the mix. It's pretty nice. What do you want to ask him?
Where he got his RC truck.
Wow, look at this.
So this might look just like some old barn find, but it's actually Cummins diesel engine swapped.
See where the pipe goes through the hood?
Yep. What's that?
Amazing.
Indeed.
That's the big one. Jared, that's the one.
All right, two more of your favorites.
Yep.
Saw them last night. And what was the inspiration for the coloring on this blue truck?